Hey, hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain your homeboy, Idikureke Udofia. Welcome to today's live video with me. And if you watch my yesterday video, you would see that I actually took a buy on pounds USD with the belief that pounds USD would continue going up until when I woke up this morning and I saw an engulfing pattern on the 4 hours, and I was like, whoa, what's happening? What am I seeing? And at the moment, I'm actually selling the pounds USD. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because it's still a sell. So let's say you're just waking up, it's still a sell. Now, last week we noticed that um, on the weekly chart, pounds USD actually closed very bearish or bearish, and so I want to quickly get on the chart and explain why I am selling my pounds USD at the moment. So stick with me and let's go. So as you guys can see, if I bring in my channel to draw out my lines, let's say I'm picking up from here, right? So now the reason why I didn't pick from this guy is because this guy is what happened last week. This is what happened last week. So you would notice that, okay, we saw this retracement on a on an uptrend. We saw this retracement, and then price pushed back down, and then coming back up, this was the next little high. It didn't actually go too far, and then it came back to test. Hold on, let me just put this here. So when price retraced around here, price came back to this level, went up, came back here, tested this, and went up to touch this place, created another high, and then came back here, right around like this, and and all of that. So originally, you can already see that, okay, price has actually broken the trend. And when price pushed back from here, this could have been a fake breakout for me, which I was assuming. So I actually got my buy order around this level here, and we were able to take it this far. So I saw this engulfing, let me show it to you. I saw this engulfing pattern around here, and I was like, this thing will sell. So because this is a big push. Now, saying that alone, I think at the close of just this 1 hour that just passed, let me show it to you. At the close of this 1 hour, I took a quick sell there. So it's still a sell. So even now, as you're watching me, you can actually still put a sell. It's still a valid sell zone. So I took a sell there, and you could see it's pushing back down. And then what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? So sometimes when I take trades like this, right, I could put in my first leg just to see what the market is going to say. Like if you watch any of my previous video, I did set something that when you take in a trade, for you to know whether or not the trade would go in your direction, even if it's going the opposite way, give it at least an hour. An hour is enough for the market to just pretend and then really go to the direction that he wants to go. Like for this, what I'm also expecting to see is that there's every possibility that it will come, hit stop loss. But like I told you, the reason why I'm in a sell is because of the engulfing pattern that I saw on my 1 hour chart. And whatever you see on your higher time frame holds weight, holds more weight. So that's basically it. What else? So now I'm taking a sell. If I go back to my 4 hours, if you also remember from my other videos, I actually mentioned that there are areas of liquidity down here that I also feel needs to be taken out. I mentioned that in my yesterday's video. Just go and check some of those videos. This is one. And I also said that this is also another area of demand level. So if we have this correctly, where you're expecting to take your profit from is from this level here, which is about 146 pips. 146 pips. I know the market will come here. This will be your first uh, this can be your first take profit. And the reason why I said this can be your first take profit is because there's also another area here of demand. So, but utmost take profit level will be, and this is not bad. This is about 111 pips. 111 pips. So that's one for your first take profit, and then your second take profit is around this level here, which is you're looking at from 146 pips to 185 pips. Also, for me, I can even tell you this is also another area of liquidity down here. So we would see if the market would really come to this point. That means the market didn't obey here, or maybe it might come here, push back a little, and then continue to go back down. So that's my opinion on pounds USD. The pounds USD will be selling irrespective, it will be selling. So don't get it twisted. Make sure you're selling pounds USD. And a quick disclaimer, I'm not your forex expert. I'm just someone who likes to trade the forex market and then share my ideas with you guys on what I think about the market. Now, another explanation to tell you that you should be selling this market right now is this. Now, if you see this trend here, we have a price movement. Let's say there's a break of structure. Now this becomes our lower low and our new lower high. Price came down here and then pushed back up. This becomes our new lower low and our lower high. Price came back to this previous lower low and couldn't break past it, and then it came to this point. It couldn't also break past this, and then what happened? He came to price came back down and cleared to this lower low. Did you see that? So this technically became a weak low, and then this became another. So this became a weak low, and as a result as a result of that, price came back and cleared this weak low. That's one. And then price actually came close to this area here. If you notice, price actually came to touch this zone and push back up because this zone already has failed, and then pushed back up and created a new high. So this is a strong low, a new high. Price came back here um, and then created it on. So this became another low for us, and that's how we're able to also still make some profit on this low. And then price came back, touched the same low, and then went this high. Okay, price from this level came back again, touched this low, didn't quite create a new high like that, but it did. And then price came back down here and couldn't create a new low. Okay. Now, when Christ didn't create a new high, I mean to say, what are you expecting to see? You're expecting to see price come back to clear all of this low, but price never did. So what you now see here shows that this is technically a market manipulation because they took price and broke a new high. In a way, they have cleared those who actually felt like, you know what, let's continue selling. Now they've cleared that liquidity out, and now price begins to come low. And in coming low, what happened is it was able to clear this other low that was expected previously, and then price tried to go further, and then we saw this engulfing pattern in the 4 hours. So technically for me, it's all the way down for pounds USD. So first take profit, second take profit. Remember, I have like two entry. So that's about my analysis for the pounds USD. So now the let's move to the 5 minutes chart. So on the 5 minutes chart, I remember showing you guys something yesterday that this trend line has been rejected around here and then it pushes back down. If you watch my video, I explain I was what the chart was showing me. Now I have my key areas here. These are areas of support on the daily, area of resistance on the daily, and all of that, it's all laid up there. And then another thing that I noticed yesterday was that price was rejected here, though to be honest, last week gold was actually um, gold was bullish on the weekly chart, and I expect that when price come to that level of rejection around this area here for gold, there is a tendency that price might continue going up. There is, but you need to now look for confirmation in deciding whether truthfully price will continue going up or not. But I gave the analysis yesterday, and in the analysis, maybe you should go check out yesterday's video. And yeah, go check out yesterday's video. I think I drew something like price going all the way this way to test this part and going back up like this. So please go check yesterday's video. I really can't remember all of the things I said there, but as you can see, this is already, it's been bearish here, it's still bearish. And what am I expecting to see is price going all the way to clear this liquidity level here. That's what I'm expecting. Price needs to come clear those liquidity area. This is the 4 hours chart, so you could see that we already have an engulfing pattern from here, and it's like a rejection on this trend line. So um what you want to see is, okay, fine, you've seen price rejection, that's number one. You've seen price rejection. What else are you looking for? Is finding where the liquidity is. Since price has rejected that level there, you want to know where is the area of liquidity, and the area of liquidity that can picture here is just this area here, not just it's this area here. That's one. Another liquidity area is this area here. So we're expecting price to come clear all of this area here. So it might be a long ride for a sell-off. It might. And then there's this other liquidity area here. So price kind of might actually come all the way to, which area is this? Let's see. Price might actually come all the way to your 2266 on a complete sell-off, 2266, and then from 2226 we might now start seeing what happens afterwards. So it's a complete sell-off to the level of 2226, or at least 2276, price coming all the way down to 2276. So that's my opinion on where price could literally go today, you know. So what else? I think that is it actually. So if you're in the market, look for a sell for your gold. Mm, they always say that follow the trend. So for pounds USD definitely is selling. Gold selling. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? So, if there is a change in the direction of price for pounds USD, I'm going to let you guys know. But take it from me, my opinion is that this is actually going to be selling. If we go to the 50 minutes chart of the pounds USD, you would see it's actually pushing back down. Then this definitely is going. And if that continues, bro, it's coming to clear off all of this. So just, you know, just sell pounds USD. This guy is already selling. So I have a take profit here for a reason, because I expect that in the New Year's session, price might rally up to get those who are just coming to the markets to continue going down. So that's why I want to take this quick profit out. But originally, for gold, price should be selling. So what else? I think that's that about today's analysis for both pounds and USD. If you think you got some value from this um video, please do not forget to subscribe. Please help me grow my channel. Yeah, please help me grow my channel so that I can have money to do my data plan and also bring more uh, quality trades to you. So don't forget, this is a $50 account that in in a space of Friday to now, that's like 3 days, kind of, we've been able to do three times the profit of a $50 account. I think that's not bad. I wish it was a real account, but I'm doing this $50 challenge, trading challenge, to help build my skill set in terms of analyzing the market and sharing my opinion, get feedback from you guys. All right, let's do this. All right, so that is it. That is it for my analysis today. So while I'm dropping this signal and taking on this $50 US challenge is to help build my skill set and also bring quality trades to you guys. So please, if you're not subscribed, and remember, I told you I trade for hobby. I just enjoy trading. I think it's fun to be able to kind of uh, take out the mystery. You just take out the mystery. You're looking at the chart, you're taking out the mystery, and you're like, you know what? This is what is happening right now. You're able to just get clarity on what's happening on your trade. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share and help me get at least my 1,000 subscriber. Help me get to 1,000 subscriber, and that will be a huge favor from you guys. That will be a huge favor from you guys. And what else? What else? What else do I want to say? So that's it. That's it. Please, guys, come on. Show me some love. Help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me grow my YouTube audience. Imagine I'm giving you guys value. As it is right now, I can see that I'm already on like 4 USD profits. Not bad, but it will go way deeper than that. It will definitely go deeper than that. Yeah. So, um, should I even check what's happening on the Bitcoin? So for Bitcoin, if you remember, I told you guys I'm staying off Bitcoin today because what I saw yesterday and when I woke up this morning, what I saw, I feel like the market is running me streets. So the market is just, they are running me streets, but it's fine. It's Forex. So, but I'm glad that I took out some profit yesterday. I took some partial profit, about $26. I was already on $62 as at yesterday before going to bed. And I'm like, damn, I should have taken all of that out. But it's Forex. There's still some more money to get out of the market. So we're back at it, but I am at $6 to $7 profit. So expect a big time rundown on today's trade. You know what I'm thinking right now? I think I'm moving my take profit for gold to this part right now. So that's $25 for me for today's market, because I see this area of liquidity, and I know that I'm expecting the market to come clear off. Also, just in case you come back and you notice that I made more money today, just know that I did some scalping each time a sell opportunity presented itself, because I'm going to double this 0.01 lot size. I actually took the first one because I wanted to be sure on it. There's an area of liquidity here also. I pointed that on the video that I did early this morning. There's an area of liquidity there. So what I'm also expecting today, if the market comes to clear this off, in fact, you know what, let me still leave my take profit there, because let me explain this. So what I'm expecting to happen today is price coming to hit this. Now this is yesterday's price lowest level, price coming to clear this out, and then the reversal to clear all of this. And then once this is taken off from the market, I expect a complete sell off for today's trade. It might happen that way, it might happen differently, but this is a double top here that you can see. You could find it even better maybe on the 5 minutes or on the 1 minute chart. So that's my analysis for today's trading. Trade carefully. Remember, the best way, the most important skill when it comes to trading the forex market is money management. Nothing else. Nothing else. You could be very good at analyzing the charts, but if you have the wrong money management, you stand at a loss. So that's it for today's trading signal. I really appreciate you all listening to me. And please do not forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful trading week today. Bye bye. Also, if you need me to analyze any other market like indices, commodities, I don't do stock, but I probably could have one or two to share. So please drop it on the comment below, and then I would come give you my analysis as soon as I see your comments. I'll make sure I take it up immediately just for you. Please subscribe so that each time I do new videos, you get notified. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video. Bye bye for now.